Hi guys, welcome to our first week of totally online instruction. In fact, for this class, any online instruction. I'm used to teaching this as a hybrid, so the fact that we've been in person all along has been kind of a luxury. And I am going to miss seeing you guys. But please always know the same rules apply. You have questions, concerns, text me, call me, email me. We can't meet for cheap or expensive coffee right now, but we could do, I don't know, a virtual coffee clutch. I'll brew some here, you brew some where you are. We meet on something like Zoom or Microsoft Teams, talk and have coffee. So it's kind of the same, sort of. Anyway, so today we're going to be discussing experimental design, both quasi and pure experimental. Quasi is what we're dealing with when we have non-random samples. And the quasi refers to the fact that when we have non-random samples, we have infinitely more threats to the validity of our studies, that we have to rule out all those threats that are not only possible but probable. And you may occasionally hear it referred to as quasi-experimental, again, due to the fact that it is much harder to draw a line to causation in a quasi-experimental study. Not impossible, but a lot more challenging. So we're going to go through the quasi-experimental designs and the associated threats. And then we're going to go through experimental designs. And we'll also be touching base on the type of analyses that are appropriate for those type of designs. Because as you will see, as you continue to read and consume research studies, a lot of the questions and any critique focus on, was the design appropriate for the research question? And was the analysis appropriate for the design? So I am also going to create a separate video for topic 8, the data homework, and go through that research paper. And that one in particular has some of the issues that we've talked about in class, especially where they didn't quite hit significance, so they started to talk about trending towards significance, which is a sciencey way of saying, I didn't get there, but I don't want to let go. So, again, if you have questions as we go, call me, email me. We raise a cup of coffee to each other on Microsoft Teams, whatever we need to do. See you later.